A shocking quote about Donald Trump and his daughter Ivanka has been spreading online. The game says that Trump once asked if is it wrong to be more sexually attracted to your own that daughter than your wife. Some social media reports say that this happened in the 1990 centuries when Ivanka was around 13-year-old. But is this quote real? The answer is there is no solid proof that Trump actually said these exact words. Here is where story come from. The quote was reportedly included in the early and unpublished draft of a Washington Post opinion column written by journalist Richard Cohen. In 2016, BuzzFeed News reported that the draft contained the alleged quote, but is important point is that the quote was removed before the colon and was published. BuzzFeed report also relied on and unnamed sources. There was no publicly available recording of Trump says the sentences and fact checkers about not independently verify the claim. The story was later repeated in book articles, social media posts, and memes. Over time, many people began presenting the allegation as if it were a confirmed fact, but that not what the evidence showed. Fact checkers investigated the claim and rated it unproven. That means we cannot identify said it, but we also cannot prove cannot prove that he identifiably did not say it. However, there is another Trump comment about the Lavanka that is documented on video during the 2006 appearance on the View. Trump said that if Lavanka were not his daughter, he might be dating her. That comment is authentic and was reported at the time. The Trump spokesman later described it as a joke. See, so we have to separate the two stories. The 2006 dating Lavanka comment in documented, but the much more extreme quote about being most sexually attracted to his daughter than his wife is not independently verified. So if you see YouTube video, Facebook posts, and memes presenting these sentences as the confirmed Trump quote, be careful. The most accurate way to describe it is a quote has been attributed to Donald Trump, but there is no definite identify evidence proving that he said it, and that is an important difference between the documented statement and the unverified allegation. Before believing a shocking and political quote online, always ask one simple question: where is the original evidence? If there is no recording or no verified transcript and no reliable first-hand sources, the claim should not automatically be treated as fact. This is a fact check, not a defense or attack on Donald Trump. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.